Hi everyone, my name's Jason Roberts and welcome to my course C# Tips and Traps. I'm a freelance developer and author. Whether you're still learning C# or you already have some experience, it's often hard to know what you don't know. This course is designed to short-circuit your C# learning. It provides a whole host of useful information about the sometimes underused or unknown features of both C# and .NET. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include string, character and formatting tips, tips for working with files, paths and URIs, tips on organizing and structuring classes and code, code compilation tips, and tips on casting and converting. By the end of this course, you will have filled in the gaps in your C# knowledge and learned a whole host of useful C# tips. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of C# programming. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn C# with the C# Tips and Traps course at Pluralsight.